Hey everybody, welcome back to my workbench. So, last video we were talking about working on this 1961 Joe Weatherly Pontiac Catalina. I talked about how I had to strip the paint off and went back and put new coats of paint on. It looks really good. Put the decals on recently here. Got a number of coats of the Quick Shine Floor Polish car wax on. And man, this bad boy's looking nice. Let me put it under the light for you. Look at this. Look at that shine for you. Yeah. So one of the things I failed to mention, because I totally forgot, in the last video, was this A-pillar here had broken off when it was sitting in the purple pond. So I glued it back in where it looks real nice, and if I didn't tell you, you probably wouldn't notice. But what happened is the front window, the windshield here, doesn't fit in properly now with the car. So I'm trying to fit this in here and work this in here. There's definitely going to be gaps around the top here. So I got it super glued around the base and just on the top there. But I got the tape on there. Just try to hold it in right now. Hopefully that gives it a good bond. Back window went in with no problems, but the front window here, there's gaps all the way around. So that's not going to be perfect. So I got to say though, these decals, really, really good. I was really, really happy with playing with these decals. This just came out absolutely wonderful. So if I can get the this windshield in properly, and then I can work on the other windows here and the inside here a little bit here, should be able to put this onto the chassis very soon. And I'm looking forward to that because that's going to be really cool. So I put the exhaust on too recently. Looks real nice. So as of right now, man, this bad boy is looking pretty good. Hopefully I don't have a setback with this windshield, but you know, I figured I'd document it because, you know, that's what we do here. But I think it's looking pretty good. I think the firewall's pushed out a little bit there. We're going to have to look at that. But anyways, alright, another short little update video here on this bad boy. Joe Weatherly 1961 Pontiac Catalina. So, wherever at, whatever you're doing, I hope you're doing well, and I will give you another update as soon as we go. Alright everybody, take care of yourselves.